am surrounded by pretty baskets. I'm at French Prairie Gardens, and so what's going on with these baskets? They're gorgeous.
Oh yeah, we have lots and lots to choose from, all sorts of different colors. We've even come up with a few fun combinations this year that are new and exciting.
Yeah, so what did you do different?
Oh, we added some coleus to some of them
Fun.
and even some dahlias, just as a little bit of a different look to some of those baskets.
And you know, I love the coloring because it just depends on your personality. Do I like sweet and feminine, or do I like bold and just really bright colors?
Yes, yeah, and one of the fun things that we do is we organize all of our baskets in color. So if you want some to go along with the other ones, they don't have to exactly match,
Sure.
but they can match the color scheme that you're going for.
Nice. And I know this time of year we have a little bit of ideas that you should be doing. So what about Jack's?
Yeah, definitely. We love the Jack's fertilizer. The triple 20 is our favorite. It kind of keeps them growing and going long, but then also blooming all season long. So it kind of keeps them fed. It'd be like if you were on a water only diet. That would be no good.
Exactly. You need vitamins.
Yes.
And then water wand. I mean, it makes it so much easier.
Yeah, so we have these great Dram one-touch ones, which is really nice because it doesn't take a whole lot with your finger. They're actually our favorite around the nursery. We use them. And then the longer ones are great if you have them up in the air and you can reach your baskets, you know, because nobody wants to have to take a water can and go real up high.
And then the water goes down your armpit.
Yes, yes, always, always.
And then something special is going on soon.
Yes, yeah, Mother's Day weekend. We have our Mother's Day brunch on Sunday.
Nice.
Yes, yeah, we brought it back this year. It's a buffet style brunch, and then we're running them every hour. So you do have to book those online though, because reservations are required because of COVID. We do have restrictions on how many people that we can have per seating.
Sure. But then something fun for kids too.
Yes, yeah, the barnyard's going to be open, so our farm animals, we have the tube slide, tire pile, obstacle courses, rollers, all sorts of good stuff.
Oh, fun. So not just for all the adults, but for kids too, because it's Mother's Day weekend.
Yeah, definitely. And the farm bar's open, so we do have beer, wine, mimosas, whatever you'd like to enjoy to make mom a happy camper that day.
That's so true. That's so true. So really, so much fun out here. It's about flowers, of course, and baskets, but it's about fun for your family too. Please go to gardentime.tv, click over their website, and make your reservations to come out for Mother's Day brunch. Thanks so much.
Yeah, thanks, Judy.